Unveiling the mystery of In Time Immemorial. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might have come across in books, movies, or even academic texts: in time immemorial. This phrase carries with it a sense of mystery and history, and understanding it can enrich your English comprehension and expression. Let's unravel its meaning together and explore how to use it effectively in your conversations and writings. In time immemorial refers to a time period that is so far in the past that it's beyond the limits of memory, history, or recorded documentation. It's often used to describe a past that is not only ancient but also somewhat mythical or legendary, indicating that the exact origins or details are lost to us. This phrase emphasizes the vast, untraceable depths of time before written history or before human civilization as we know it. The term, time immemorial, has its roots in legal language and historical contexts. Originally, it was used in English law to refer to a time before legal history and records began, specifically before the reign of King Richard I of England in 1189. Over time, its usage expanded beyond legal contexts to describe any period that predates recorded history or human memory. Using in time immemorial correctly can add a layer of depth and historical context to your language. It's most appropriately used in narratives, storytelling, or discussions that involve ancient history, myths, legends, or to emphasize the ancient origin of certain practices, beliefs, or natural phenomena. Here's how you can incorporate it. Describing ancient origins. This land has been sacred since in time immemorial, long before our ancestors set foot here. Emphasizing ancient wisdom or practices. These herbal remedies have been used since in time immemorial, passed down through generations. In storytelling or myths, in time immemorial, there were creatures that roamed the earth, unlike anything we see today. While using in time immemorial, be mindful not to confuse it with general references to the past. It is not suitable for events that are within historical records or recent past. Avoid using it for events or periods that are well documented or relatively modern. The power of the phrase lies in its ability to evoke a sense of the ancient and unknowable. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of In Time Immemorial. I hope this video has illuminated the depths and nuances of this beautiful phrase, enriching your English vocabulary and expression. Remember, language is not just a tool for communication but a bridge to history, culture, and the mysteries of the past. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and always stay curious. Happy learning!